Hello, let's talk about text formatting. What do I mean by that? In one of our HTML lessons, we learned that we can use the tag strong to write text in thick letters and the tag em to write text in cursive letters. In fact, you can do all that by means of CSS. Such tags are used to highlight some important word or a phrase in a sentence. For example, Everest is the highest mountain on Earth. In this case, we could write the word highest in a strong tag, because we want to emphasize that Everest is not just high, it's the highest mountain. But in most cases, it's better to format your text using CSS. First, we need to learn how to make a text bold. To make text bold, you use the CSS property font weight. In CSS, you can actually adjust the thickness of letters. You can compare it to this weighing machine that has a scale of letter thickness from 100 to 900. So the least thick letters have a value of 100, and text with the thickest letters has a value of 900. Also, for convenience, there is a normal value which equals 400, and the regular bold value equals 700. Let's see how it works in practice. On our page, we have a p tag with the text Everest is the highest mountain on Earth. Let's set the letter thickness for this text. For that, in the file with styles for this page, we write P, font family Arial, font weight bold. Now our letters are thick. If we change the value to 700, everything will stay the same because bold is equal to 700. But if we set it to 500, we will see that the letters look thinner. So now you know how that works. Let's move on. How to make the text cursive. For that, in CSS there is a special property called font style. It has several values. There are two values which allow you to write text in cursive, italic, and oblique. Both values make the text cursive, but in different ways. The italic value is a cursive style specifically designed for the given font, while the oblique style simply takes the usual font and inclines it. You can really notice this difference in this table with the Georgia font. For this reason, it's more common to use the italic value. So let's make our text cursive. In our p tag, we assign the font style property with italic. Now the text is italic. The last thing that we're going to discuss in this video is how to get a line below, above, and through the text. You can get all of these effects with the property text decoration. Just use one of these three corresponding options as the value: underline, overline, and a line through. Let's try to apply this property to our text. We write text decoration underline. Now our text is underlined. Let's change the value to line through. Now the text is strike through. And now none. Pretty simple. The default value, by the way, is none. So now we know three useful properties when working with text. To summarize, we use the font weight property to make text bold, the font style property to get cursive, and the text decoration property to get a line below, above, or through text. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.